All right. So today I'll be going over system administration, just the basics, what it means to work with Linux, and what you need to do if you want to be a system admin. All right. So what is system administration? What do they do? So sysadmin installs, configures, maintains, and secures computer systems, um, especially Linux servers. So their jobs are to install and configure Linux servers. They manage users' permissions and they apply updates. They do patches and occasional security fixes if needed. They can also troubleshoot any system issue and protect system integrity and data security. And here's a little image that just kind of creates it a little better. So basically the same thing. All right, so Linux distributions and modern computing. What is it exactly? Um, so distro bundles the Linux kernel with tools, utilities, default configurations, and a package manager. So here's some distro families. There's APT and DNF. APT is more popular for cloud and different servers. DNF is more of an like enterprise ready grade stability, more secure. Um, and then distributions are mostly just chosen based on reliability, their ease of use, their specific features that they have, and basic company needs. And here's a screenshot of distros. Um, that looks like the one you showed us in class. 2 minutes. Um, so more in depth of understanding the Linux file system. Linux uses a single root. Everything basically branches off from the root directory. Um, and I'm just going to go over some of the important directories. I don't think I have time to exactly go through them, but I wrote below what everything does ish. So there's /home, then there's root, there's etc, var, usr, there's bin and sbin. These are really essential system commands. There's tmp and dev. All right, so command line basics. This one's a big one. Um, so here's some core commands. There's pwd. This is what uses show current directory. There's cd, that you can guess is change directory. Um, then there's mkdir, which is creating directories. There's rmdir, which is to remove empty directories that really aren't needed anymore. Also, another from class that you could use. There's sudo, which basically is a command that you use to perform tasks that require an admin or root permissions. Um, then there's locate. You can use this command to locate a file if you're getting lost. Um, and yeah, 1 minute. Um, Users, groups, and permissions. This is an important one. Um, so user and group basics. User info is stored in etc/password. It's pretty basic. Group info is always stored in etc/group. Here's some more important commands or permissions. There's add user and add group, pretty simple. There's user mod, which modifies user settings. There's su and sudo, which we use a lot. Probably continue to use, where you can switch users or run commands as root safely. Then some important permissions is files always have an owner, a group, and permissions for each one individually. And then there's some more commands below that we've just started to go over in class. All right. Thank you. So I can figure this out, how to stop it.